vein. Biggest vein. Means if the patient is black, for example, if the patient is black, you will not be able to see the vein correctly and clearly. So what you will do is to palpate. If you cannot see for example, if the patient is African and he is black, you will not be able to see the vein clearly. So what you will do is palpate. Okay, but this vein is clear. So the proper way of cleaning it with alcohol is you start it from the middle and to the side and to the side. Okay? So so when you use this syringe, you have to twist it to make sure that the needle is intact, because maybe sometimes this is loose. So also you have to check for air, so that sometimes this plunger has some problem. Very difficult for you to pull the plunger. So make it sure it is okay. Now in injecting this needle, you have here the so-called bevel, and this bevel should be always injected up. Okay? It should be in the upper part. Okay? So all IV, I get the proper
30.
how many degrees?
30
degrees. Okay? But depending on the skin also and the vein. For example, in this, I can make 20, no problem. As you see, I will see the blood flow here. So, I have to remove the tourniquet now.
Okay.
To let the flow of the blood, to let the blood flow freely. And then you see this finger. Remember this finger. Okay? Holding, because if the patient will move, this will fall down. So you have to stabilize the syringe with your thumb. I will withdraw some blood now. You see? Okay. I will not withdraw it like this because I might remove the needle. So withdraw it like this. Can you see the blood now?
Yeah. There blood.
In the hospital, you will get 10 ml of blood. Give me the gauze. As you see now. Putting this with my forefinger, I will hold this back. So now I can remove my thumb. I'll put it there and remove.
Okay.
Okay, this is your blood. As you see, the color of the blood is dark red because it is in the vein. If it is in the artery, it is light red. This is because in the artery has lot of oxygen. This one has lot of carbon dioxide. Okay?
Yeah.
Cut.
Close.